Yeah, we are back on this beautiful Tuesday morning. Let's take a look around, y'all. Sunny, no rain today. Finally, we had rain the past couple days. Blankets have been soaked. Might actually show you one on the truck, but we got a jam-packed day today. We got 5 jobs. Kind of on the northern side of Indy. We're gonna bust these out. We're heading to Austin, Texas for a bachelor party this weekend. So we got a lot to crank out in a short amount of time. But we're gonna get after it today. Enjoy this beautiful day. Make some money. So let's get after it. Let's have a day. All right, y'all. We have got another sticker. Super-Roo. This is for my pops, y'all. We call him Roo Dog. Roo Hole, Rick and Mortis, Rusev, we call Roo a lot of things. But this one goes out to my dad, y'all. He's a great man. I love him to death. I don't know how I'd live without him, to be honest. So Roo Dog's gonna get one front and center here.
Where it belongs.
Shout out Roo Dog. One of our #1 supporters. So that we added one to the wall. We're looking to add a lot more. So any stickers you guys got, let's get them up here. It's coming together. Good God.
It's actually pretty light. Solid up.
All right, so we got this table. This is a whole nother delivery.
We got 7 chairs. This is one of the ones that I got to send back with that stain.
7 chairs. God dang it. So this table was 7 chairs. We go this way with this junk. All right. All right. So we got this. How long is this? 81.5-inch table. Solid top. You gotta go put on some new legs on the table as well. Who's your hog? You gotta come up with a name for that guy. Don't know quite what we want to call him. Alright. Got the table on there. Now we got 7 white chairs to go with this dining table. I get these loaded up here. Feeling good today, y'all. Just ripped a ghost energy to get prepared for this video. 200 milli vanillis straight into the veins. I usually don't rip a ghost like that because I can get kind of jittery.
You ripped the whole thing?
Almost. In a 30-minute drive.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Oh, what is this guy?
That's Douglas.
Why'd you give it to me now? Oh, it's last. But yeah, we're juiced. We're juiced for today. It's a money-making day. Let's go. I love that sticker, man. He's got another one coming too. So yeah. And then we just had spring forward, y'all. So it's getting dark later, which means golf rounds after work. So hopefully T and I can get you some 9-hole action once we're done with our loads. Both love golfing, so hopefully we can get you some footage of us shanking it into the trees. Make you guys laugh at us a little bit because we are not good by any means, but we love to do it. I mean, look at Double X, there's no way it should be at my freaking waist, dude. This thing should be down
Yeah,
here.
the back is like up a little bit too. I bet.
Maybe I just got huge traps. I need to get swoller. Except I got this freaking injury going on. My lat. Don't know how that happens. My mattress absolutely sucks. And I'm just getting old. It's just part of it. But yeah. I don't know, guys. I think the double XL hoodies from Dick's Sporting Goods are not the move. We got this bed. It looks like a king giant.
That's cute.
Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Except I don't know if that's enough wall. Oh, it is enough wall. Let's get it. I ain't tired of moving these legs around. Get out of my face. All right. Everything almost loaded here. I do got a question though. Would you rather dock a cruise ship or land a jumper plane? I will say that the docking experience is not just pulling up to the side of a concrete slab. This is, maybe you should just sailing that. You have to reverse it around another boat to dock it. It's a tricky one, it's tricky. Let me know what you guys think. At first I said commercial plane, so T said cruise ship. But then I switched it to jumper. I think that makes it a little bit more even. I'm gonna go in jumper plane, I think. Because the way cruise ships are now, you see how much they got on there? That's bigger than freaking cities. What they got on there. What is that, Icon of the Seas? They got the Las Vegas Raiders Stadium, plus MGM, plus Walt Disney. Plus frickin', yeah, Holiday World. I got it all on there, man, for real. So docking that thing would be crazy. Would be crazy. Get this soaking wet thing out of my face. Holy wet blanket. T's just getting everything loaded up for tomorrow, or picked, sorted, so there's no confusion. We got the truck shipment tomorrow, thank God, because we are officially out of jobs for the week. We couldn't put one more on if we tried after tomorrow. So bachelor party came at a perfect time. Get some nice rest. I will not be resting. Apparently it's gonna be golf course, maybe a Millennium concert, beer Olympics, it's gonna get nasty. It's gonna get nasty. Thursday morning to Sunday night at like midnight. Then I gotta come back and do this come back Sunday at midnight, and I gotta come back and do this Monday morning. Oh boy. But you gotta get it done. So this is the load. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's for tomorrow. So yeah, nothing too crazy today. Quick jobs for a lot of money. Huh? Oh my God. This might be the most bare it's ever been.
Yeah. Literally nothing, except for those 2 orders.
Wow. We need shit to deliver. Where it at? Say bye. All right, y'all. Haven't gotten a haircut in like 4 months. All right, y'all. We're gonna get after the day. Show you when we arrive, offloading it off the truck. See if you get any funny scenarios. I got breakfast. I got lunch that I made myself. Proud of it. Lacey's really been leaving it all to myself for these lunches, so I'm starting to become a little chef. But yeah, off to the jobs. Let's go. All right, y'all, we are here in beautiful downtown Indianapolis. And first things first, we have this L Ranch here. Should be quick and easy. Quick and easy. Got a little bit of a walk because of the street parking, but nothing too crazy. We're fit young men, we can handle it. Oh, scissors. Yeah, we're gonna get this knocked out here. And get number 1 done. Quick. All right, this is how you undo the box with your hand. Just like that. What shall we do? Topping first or what? Okay.
This is the absolute worst color change.
Yeah. This is the chair, guys. This is the chair. Going for nursery. Hopefully the nursery isn't upstairs. That would blow. Even though this isn't heavy, that would still suck. All right, y'all. Job 1 done. Went smooth as possible. Chair was for nursery, so it went upstairs, but got it up there, no problem. You know how we do. You know how we do. We do this thing. Yeah, so got that knocked out. I think we're heading out of downtown now. Keep this day moving. Gotta break down this box. I feel like we got nothing in here. And we still got 4 deliveries. But that guy probably thought I was crazy talking to myself. But yeah, that is it for job number 1. Move on with the day. All right, you want to be annoying? You want to be annoying? Huh? All right, here we go. Here we go. Breakfast. Same old thing, different day. Nothing special. Tea's breakfast. And then I also, pineapple. Out here being healthy. Out here being healthy. So, finished job number uno. Going on to job number 2. Got a bed coming up. So, let's get after it, y'all. Let's get after it. I spilled the butt juice. I done spilled it. Now this whole truck's gonna smell like butt. T's gonna hate me.
Bro, I smell it. Shit smells fucking great.
I spilled the butt juice. It looks like I just wiped.
Oh yeah, it smells like it.
Alright, I gotta get some air fresheners for this thing. Dookie. That dookie. Well, that's my B, but we'll get that handled. Alright, y'all, we are here at job number 2. And we are at a ranch. Gotta love a ranch, man. God, we are getting blessed with those recently. If you've been watching our videos, man, these bedroom ranches are the way to go. Love this trend. So yeah, we'll get this bed in there. Probably done in like 15 minutes, to be honest. We'll get this knocked out on a ranch. Dang, I'll probably strap this whole thing in, but I'm not sure. See what T says when he comes out here. God, they're asking questions. His character, bro.
Yeah.
Looks like a wasp nest or something.
The Drisky. Where is that?
What's she talking about?
We're just talking about where you recycle mattresses and get rid of them. You know how hard it is to find somebody to take them?
Yeah, no. I need to start that business for real.
Yeah, we can't take them anywhere.
I know. I don't know where to take them.
Yeah.
If anybody,
Can't even take them to dump.
if anybody has good ideas on where to take a mattress to throw it away, let us know.
We should be the ones to know that too.
I'm only 6 months in, bro. I'm more like 10 months in, but I'm new to this. I'm new to this.
Been on it for like 4 years and I still don't know.
Yeah. All right, T just came up with the name. Rue, if you're watching, can name him Rue Buck. After OG Rue, aka Mifaja. Rue's about to start taking over this truck, man. Rue's gonna take it over. So that officially named Rue Buck. That's hilarious. All right, y'all. Job number 2 is completo. Knocked it out real quick. Just quick, regular, nothing crazy. Put that there. It's our new toolbox, guys. I like it. It's nice. And don't be making fun of my hyper tough drill. Does the job. Walmart. Walmart. Yeah, so that's job number 2. And if you haven't watched my past videos, putting some stickers up here. Open lane, that's where my wife works. Subaru, shout out Pops. T's trip to the Smokies. I love the name. We just gave the buck back there, Rue Buck. I will do a feature with him one of these days. I think next football season, we might do some lives so you can get the full Rue effect. Do some lives with him. He's got we usually put the TV out on the patio, put on Red Zone. We'll do like a 3-hour live either for the Packers game for T or the Colts game for us. Do a 3-hour live. That'll be fun stuff, guys. Hopefully you guys tune into that. But yeah, beautiful day though. I'm about to take off this hoodie. It's getting warm. I might have to get to the range today. I gotta be prepped for Austin tomorrow. That lady was looking dead at me. I didn't know she was pulling in the driveway. She probably thought I was coming out there to get her on camera. Yeah, that's right. I got you on camera. I got you on camera. What you gonna do? Where's that from? I kind of forget. All right, 3 jobs left. And it is 11:49. We're cruising. We are cruising. Oh yeah, I gotta get to the range today. It's too nice. Way too nice. All right, just kind of talking to myself here. I'll catch you on the next one. Tipski? No, Tipski. Oh my God, you're trying to be all friendly.
Yeah, I was.
I'm only being friendly for your money.
Just kidding. Right.
Just got the news. Joe Mixon to the Texans. It's a sad day. It's a bad day. Their offense is loaded. As a Colts fan, this is terrible. CJ Stroud's gonna be a force to be reckoned with for the next 10 years. Nico Collins, Tank Dell, Dalton Schultz, Joe Mixon. Like, oh my God. We better be sign Kenny Moore right now. Get all the cornerbacks, all the safeties, because we need him, because he's gonna throw for 500 yards against us. So we better figure it out quick, or else we're not gonna be winning the division anytime soon. Terrible news. Oh, okay. So we are here at the store. Just kind of going over everything that needs to be clarified. Shipment, what?
You didn't just see that bird fly out?
No.
It's in the truck.
It's in the truck. Jeez. Hopefully it didn't drop a Duke. But yeah, so we got one return going back. And that is it. So I'm doing pretty good there.
I'm glad he just brought that in.
I know.
It came in for no reason.
Yeah, this guy just dropped it off. So this is it. This is it. I gotta take this hoodie off. It is warm out here. Feeling like Florida, even though it's only 60. Let's get this taken care of. Get this back to the warehouse. To the warehouse. Wrap this puppy up. You know how I go, loopty swoop, loopty, maybe, loopty, swoopty, and a bolt. Sure. All right, y'all, we are here at number 3. Number 3 on the day, technically 4 if you count the store. Got some table and chairs here. Nice dining room set. We're backed up all the way to the door though, so this is nice. And we're gonna get this done probably about 15 minutes, quick in and out. So we have 2-piece pedestal base here. Yeah, just put one down. Hey guys, giving you some behind the scenes footage of how we put this table together. Should be about an 80-inch table, I believe. I think that crate's at 81. But yeah, I'll show you this. These two pieces, and you put a stretcher in between the two.
I'm glad I put that blanket down.
Yeah, no, that's been a trend recently. Put the base upside down, put these light bolts in there, like so. Then you can get it started with the nut before you put the stretcher on.
Do some homework on this.
I know. I feel like I didn't get the hang of it till like 6 months in.
Definitely takes a while. They have 1,000 different things.
Then put your washer in there like so. Holding it up. Just make sure before you tighten it down all the way that it is straight and level.
Usually straightens itself out, but try to still get it as straight as possible.
Then you will take a 1/2 inch wrench and screw it tight, righty tighty.
It probably took me about a whole year of just seeing everything.
Left.
Learn all the names of all the different styles and stuff like that.
Yeah, it's tough enough with a manual. It doesn't.
Right, exactly.
Worse.
And then they give you same little. This is the direction that you get. Flip it over off of the blanket so you can wrap that sawdust up.
And just flip it over like so. Ton of sawdust fall out, so probably just lay a blanket down every time you do a table base like that. And when you flip it back over, you have these rubber pads. You just take these off. And then you got 4 nuts and 4 washers. Take them off before you set the table on. And then this will be how you lock the table back down to the base. Can't set the top on there before, or else you're not going to be able to tighten it down. Be sure not to drop the washer in there, or else you got to flip the whole thing back over. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, there you go. Dust off. Some behind the scenes footage for you. Setting this tabletop on the table base. Nothing new, same old thing, different day. Routine. Yeah. Alright. And then
Stop doing that, bro. It's crazy.
half the ramp. You just step down with it. Left hand on bottom, right hand on top. This is the easiest. That way when you walk in, you can just flatten it out on the table base. Okay. Set it on there. Set it on the bolts like that. And that is it. You'll throw these washers on this table base over each 4 that you just took off. And then you'll put 4 nuts on the bolts. Just finger tighten them, or else it'll take a long time to do it with the ratchet. Just try to get it as far as you can. Sometimes it'll stick. Yeah, you can use a ratchet then, but just keep going around and round. So T brought the ratchet, it's just a 1/2 inch socket, and then just tighten it till it starts, till you feel the tension getting pretty tight. Just tool, ratchet, and then you go to the left, builds that tension, just keep going like that. If you can see, let me see, man. Just like that. Feel that tension. Just keep going. Sometimes you hear something would crack, but that's when you need to stop. Just like that. Stop right there. T was spitting bars in there. Look what he came out with.
45er.
What's your flirty eye? You flirting for the cash.
Yeah, a lot of conversation. You hear me?
Let's go. I kinda.
Yeah, whole combo.
They know I'm going to a bachelor party.
Yep. Shit was just spewing out.
T was just rattling information.
That's how you have to get the tip, bro. I'm telling you.
Love it. Do it every time.
Mm-hmm.
Tell them I just got married, so they give me more.
Yeah, she asked me if it was my bachelor party. I should have said yes.
Yeah, we might have to start lying. No,
Yeah, I'm making up stories.
But got that job done flawless. You guys got a behind the scenes look. Appreciate them for letting us do that. That was huge. So yeah, I had to make sure I had to use the right vocabulary. Usually I just say this thing, that thing, but no, I think I got all the terminology right for the most part. Either way, got it done, perfection. On to the next. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Stay tuned. Might have to break out lunch. I'm starved. All right, y'all. Lunchtime. I'm starving, man. Hungry as a hippo. I made these myself. Burger. Hamburguesas. Well done. Very well done. Cheese and ketchup. That's all you need right there. Ingredients to a good lunch. Got 2 of them. Some kettle cooked chips. Not on my healthy grind. Do 1 healthy grind meal a day, the rest is being fat. And then T's a psychopath that doesn't eat. So,
I eat when I get home. My lunch and dinner are combined.
yeah. Dude only eats 1 time a day, so. That's lunch. Let's get after this next job. All right, we are here at the 4th job. We're just replacing these legs on the table. So I don't really have much to show you. This shouldn't be long at all. Probably just taking a couple blankets and the drill bob.
1/2 inch.
No. Ever since we got this new toolbox, I hate rummaging through this shit. Why did I do this? Oh, it's up front.
Good.
Are you done with this?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. As you saw him, he came up to the truck saying what's up. Cool dude. And trying to match these little lines. I'll show you real quick. Trying to match these lines up on the table, but the ones on the table are dang near black. And this is one of the, it just wasn't gonna work. I'm not gonna say anything else about it, but yeah, it wasn't gonna fly. And this is probably like our 3rd time out here. So yep, taking these back. We'll be out here again. But you know, we get paid by the job, so I'm not mad about it. Not mad about it one bit. He was joking with us too. He's like, I feel bad, man. I was like, it's cool for us. Terrible for you, but cool for us. So that's that. Wrapping that one up, chalking it up. That's the only thing left, and then we're out of here. So it's been a good day so far. Let's just finish strong, boys. Finish strong. Come on, fourth quarter. Come on. Rest it. There we go. Alright, y'all. Last job of the day. It's feeling like summer. I'm about to catch a tan. Feels so good out here. This is it, y'all. Ah! Oh, it's wet.
Like that.
Kinda. Yeah, but it was like, dang, you're sopping wet. All right, got that taken care of. Settle down, G, settle down. Getting excited from some warm weather. All right, this is it, last piece. Our wrench was just sitting in the crevice. You taking it in by yourself?
I'll knock on the door.
Alright. Alright, so we did that one in about 30 seconds. Basically just got paid around $400 to say what's up to a few people. In and out of there, bang, bang. So yeah, great day. Great day. 6 jobs done, all before 3. And it's about 70 degrees out here, so about to hit the range.
Yeah, I might hit range too.
So yeah, that's the day, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed. We got one more day of work, and then I'm off to this bachelor party to have a field day, take over Texas. So T&M Transport, nothing to it but to move it. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe our video. If you made it this far, thank you for your support. Can't wait to get Rue on here. Shout out for the sticker. Thank you guys for supporting our channel. Really appreciate it. T&M to the moon. T, any remarks? Rue Buck. Shout out Rue Buck, new mascot of T&M. Yeah, so we'll catch you on the next video. And I'm about to load up the chopper. Have you seen that guy on TikTok? He's hilarious. He's like, let me get some of that sweet nectar and it's Diet Coke, and then he's like, wake up, put your feet in the grass, and he says, see?
Yeah, I've seen him actually.
But yeah. Alright, we're out of here. Thanks for tuning in.